Welcome back. Right now, we're going to take a look at how to use the UTM parameter builder that we included with the certification. This is something you'll use to create these UTMs for your campaigns to make it really easy and simple to build them and track which ones you've used. Let's jump inside the computer.
All right, now that we're inside the computer, I'm going to show you how to use the UTM parameter creation tool. You'll use this pretty much anytime you're sharing a link on social media, within an email, with some affiliate partner, anytime an outside source is pushing traffic to your website. So for our example, let's use the perfect blog post template. We're going to send an email announcing that people can now download this lead magnet for free. So we can follow these simple instructions. We're going to paste our destination URL in here. Then we'll choose our source. This is going to our house list, the list that we mail promotional emails to. We already have the medium correctly set to email, though there's several options that you could choose if you were sending this on social media, or it was a pay-per-click or cost-per-click ad. Our content, we're going to create new content actually. So I'll explain this drop-down reference a little bit more in just a second, but first, let's just create one for this. So it's lead magnet announcement mail 1. And we also need to create a campaign. The campaign will be blog template announcement 2/1/16. We typically use the product, the pitch, and the date launched whenever we're creating a custom campaign. So you can see now that the URL has been created right here. If the hyperlink appears in red, it means that there's a space somewhere in one of these source medium content campaign fields that you just need to remove and then update the field. That's all you have to do to create a URL. So paste in the URL, choose your source, choose your medium, choose your content and campaign, and it'll automatically be generated right here. Now, these drop-down references are basically where the different options that you have in these menus come from. So source and medium contain some of the most commonly used sources and mediums, so you won't need to change those out. But whenever you're sending an email or creating a new ad, you'll have to create your own content that goes in here. Same with campaign. Whenever you're starting a new promotion, whenever you're launching a new strategy, you'll need to create your own campaign that matches what's going on so you can go back and refer to it. So all you do is enter it in here. And of course, you might need to add some additional mediums, some additional sources, whatever works best for your business. These fields are set to pull from field 31 down to 200, but if you realize you need more space, all you have to do to change where they're pulling from, click on the field, click Data, Validation, and then for criteria, you can change the range that you're pulling from for that field. So now we understand the basics of the sheet, how to create a URL with proper UTM parameters, how to add additional fields that we might need. So last step is typically going to be to shorten your link. So let's look at Bitly really quickly. This is a free service, really easy to use, and it basically gives us a way to take this long URL that's a little bit too lengthy for Twitter. Well, it's too long for Twitter for sure. It's a little bit lengthy for Facebook and email and anything else too. So what you're going to want to do is shorten it. There's a lot of different options for shorteners. Digital Marketer actually uses ClickMeter for most of our links, but Bitly is a great one for Twitter because it's so concise. So you'll just click Create Bitlink, paste that in there, and there you go. The link's been created, and you can customize it. We'll say this is blog template new, and save it. All right, and that one hadn't been used before. So there we go. We've gone from a page that we want to track every time we send an email visitor to creating a properly attributed URL with UTM parameters and shortening it to create a Bitly link. So that's pretty much all you have to do. The last step is just going to help you keep track of what you've been doing. That's going to be to take your URL and paste it in here to your archive. you'll want to do Command-Shift-V on a Mac and Control-Shift-V on a Windows computer to get it to just paste the value rather than paste the formula. And then it's helpful to include additional notes so that you know exactly what offers you were making, what content you were sharing, and it's really easy to refer back to. So we'll just enter this in here. The source was house list, medium was email, and the campaign was blog template announcement 2/2/16. There we go. So you can easily use this archive. It makes it really helpful to refer back to whenever you reuse a campaign or want to see how something performed but can't quite remember what different parameters you were using for it. That's basically all you need to know. Don't forget, it's really important to create these parameters because they allow you to really figure out what's going on your website, how people are getting there, and what they do once they get there. So that's going to wrap it up for visitor tracking. Now let's go and look at the next module. I'll see you in the next video.